Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. Well, if you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. Well, today we're going to be making the famous TikTok videos that's been going around. It's supposed to be very popular right now. Today we're going to be making some ice cream. You scream, yell, scream for ice cream. And today we got two cameras set up. We're going to be using the overhead to film, and the one in front of you talking about it. Right now I'm in the back room, and I'm going to be putting it all together. I'm going to blend it off into the front room and in the food processor, and we'll transfer it together in the back room and put it in the freezer for a few hours, and we'll come back and talk about it. Today we're going to be making strawberry ice cream using cottage cheese, and the base for this is all the same. Now the YouTubers have been putting basically some honey in, but honey is not keto approved, so we're going to be using some monk fruit sweetener, and it can be stevia or any of powdered swerve or confectioner swerve, any of your favorite sweeteners of your choice. And the point of it is we're trying to keep it down as low as we can with calories. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. Well, if you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. And if you're a new member, thank you for joining the channel, and also could you please share, like, and subscribe. It helps other members know when we post videos. Well, today is an experiment. We made some ice cream using some cottage cheese, and this is a recipe that they found from Carb Love. Myra put 2 cups of cottage cheese. We put 3/4 of a cup of strawberries, 1 tablespoon of strawberry extract. That was just something that I added, and a 1/2 cup of, we used granulated monk fruit. And you could put honey in there, or you could put any of your favorite sweetener or stevia or anything like that. That's low carb weight loss. Honey is not keto, but again, you do you. And then they put a couple little drops of food coloring in for the give it an authentic look. And then we blended it for 3 minutes in the food processor, and this is the final product. So let's open up the containers. They've only been in the freezer for about maybe 2 hours. Probably put them in they have 4 containers in the freezer, by the way. One of them is make the 2 cups made maybe almost 2 containers like this. This is the size of the container. I have a pint container. And now we're going to taste test this together, because I've been dying to taste this when it's really, really cold. Now, I did taste that earlier, and I wanted to see if it tastes like cheese flavor, because a lot of people have been asking me the $1,000,000 question, does it taste like cheese? Because a lot of people don't like the taste of cheese for some reason or other. So there you go. Tastes really, really good. Tastes like ice cream to me. And there's definitely a winner here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Love you guys. I'll be watching for a couple more videos we got on the ice cream with cottage cheese.